If you want to create trendy short-form videos fast, today I'll show you exactly how to use a TikTok template in CapCut on PC. This is a really easy way to make your edits look polished, match viral styles, and save a ton of time compared to building everything from scratch. Whether you are making content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or just experimenting with CapCut templates, this workflow will help you get professional-looking results in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your PC and make sure you are using version 8.9 or later so the template features load properly. When CapCut opens, stay on the main homepage. Do not click New Project yet, because templates are accessed directly from the home screen. On the left-hand navigation sidebar, click Templates. This will take you into CapCut's built-in template library, where you can browse different styles and trending formats. Now go to the search bar at the top and type in TikTok if you want to see general TikTok style templates. If you are looking for a specific trend, you can type the exact trend name instead, such as DigiDigi or any other viral template keyword you have seen online. CapCut will then show you matching templates that fit that search term. Take a moment to browse through the results and choose the one that matches the style you want for your video. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open the preview. Here you can check the motion style, pacing, transitions, and overall look before using it. If it seems like the right fit, click the Use Template button. CapCut will automatically download the template and place it into a new timeline for you. This is one of the biggest time savers because the editing structure is already built in. After the template loads, look down at the lower timeline panel. This is where CapCut shows you the placeholder clips that the template needs. Pay attention to the number of placeholders because you will need to replace each one with your own media. If the template requires 3 clips, then you need to import at least 3 videos or photos to complete it properly. Next, go to the media panel in the top left corner and click Import. This lets you upload your own videos or photos from your computer into CapCut. Select the files you want to use and wait for them to appear in your media library. Once your files are imported, you are ready to start replacing the placeholder content in the template. Now click the Replace icon on one of the timeline placeholders. In some cases, you may see a plus symbol instead, and that works the same way. When you click it, choose the video or photo you want to insert, or simply drag and drop the file onto the placeholder. CapCut will automatically fit your media into the template's timing, crop it to match the frame, and keep the edit aligned with the original template style. That means you do not have to manually adjust every cut from scratch. Repeat that process for each placeholder in the timeline until all of the template slots are filled with your own content. As you go, you can preview the edit to make sure the clips are syncing properly with the movement, transitions, and on-screen style. If something looks off, you can swap the media again until it feels right. The goal is to match the energy of the template while using your own footage. Once everything looks good, you are ready for the final step. Click Export in the top right corner. From there, choose your export settings, check the resolution and format, and save your finished video to your computer. After that, your CapCut template edit is ready to upload to TikTok or any other platform you want. So that is how to use a TikTok template in CapCut on PC in a simple, beginner-friendly way. You do not need advanced editing skills to get started, and once you learn this process, you can make eye-catching videos much faster. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.